Families waiting for US cards received some welcome movements in the August 2026 Visa Bulletin. The largest change affects spouses and young children of permanent residents whose final action date moved forward by more than 18 months. The news is far less encouraging for Indian professionals. The EB2 and unreserved EB5 categories remain unavailable for applicants from India. The State Department also warned that EB1 India could run out of available visa numbers within weeks. Hi friends, I'm Deepa and today we will know about EB1 visa. The EB1 visa is the ideal option for individuals with extraordinary abilities in the fields of science, business, arts, technology, education, sports or similar areas. Although the number of visas is limited as with other employment-based immigration visas, there are rarely any waiting periods, that is, the quota is rarely exceeded. If there are waiting times, they are usually relatively short for an EB1A visa, example 1 year. In addition, neither a labor market test nor a US employer is required. An EB1 visa means employment-based first preference is a top-tier US permanent residency green card category. It is intended for individuals with extraordinary ability, outstanding professors or researchers, and multinational managers or executives. EB1 visa used to be the fastest green card route as it had little or zero backlog, as it is not taken by the maximum because they don't qualify for it. In the August Visa Bulletin, the State Department warned that EB1 may become unavailable for Indians in financial year 2026, which ends in September. High demand and number use of by alien chargeable to India in the EB1 visa category may necessitate making the category unavailable in the coming weeks if the India's prorated limit in the EB1 category is reached before the fiscal year ends. The individuals getting their green cards approved today initially submitted their Form 140 immigrant petition or established their priority date around late 2022 or earlier. This corresponds to an effective processing wait time of approximately 3.5 to 4 years for Indian nationals in the EB1 category. Many EB2 and EB3 applicants are switching to EB1 who are eligible to get green cards faster, which is intensifying the competition. There is little spillover from the family-based quotas to the EB1 category as well. Key benefits: no labor certification. Most employment-based green cards require a lengthy pre-perm labor certification process to prove no local worker is available, but the EB1 skips this step. Shorter wait times because the requirements are very high, fewer people apply, which often leads to much faster processing and priority dates compared to other green card categories. Family inclusion: spouses and unmarried children under 21 can also receive permanent residency through the primary applicant's approved petition. For updates, stay with us and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and put your opinions in the comment box below.